Hello, dear Taurus. So, this is your first week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. Your cards are already out. So, let's see what's going to happen. If you are new to my channel, welcome and please subscribe. And if you would like to know more about my personal readings, the rituals, or the counseling sessions that I take, you can stay tuned till the end. I will be sharing some more information. Yes, so let's start with your career. You've got the Three of Spades and the Nine of Suns. Now, do you see this? Some sort of hard work has been there where you are hoping for some sort of success. This week might not turn out to be the way you want to be because I do see that there are people who are trying to bring you down. Like, like they're nobody and they're nothings, right? They can be your own employees if you have a business. They can be your colleagues who are who stand nowhere in front of you, your skills, your talent, your experience, but they're still trying to snatch that position from you, right? What you have to do is you have to choose your battles very carefully, which means do you really have to invest in every petty fight that happens around you? No. So this is the guidance that is coming for you this week, that these are just sheeps. Okay, you can see that a lion is fighting with sheeps. Is it really worth it? No. So you are a lion. You are much better than whoever is trying to bring you down right now. So you are not advised to participate in this. Stay away from it, take a break, go away. And if you think that you're not able to think or clearly about who to trust, who not to trust, or what decision to make, or what kind of idea should be now implemented in your business or job, then I suggest take a break. This is a card of taking a break from this fight which has been going on for a very long time, taking a break and going on vacation so that you can get a fresh perspective. When your mind is relaxed, you can get more ideas, more solutions to your problems, which right now you're not able to get because you are in that chaotic environment. So please take a break or just send those people away on a break if need be. You need to be away from this chaotic environment. Okay. Let's see what's happening in your love life now. You've got the Pope card and the Hermit card. I do see that you are now thinking about marriage more, your relationship, your love life, right? I do see that some sort of truth, there is some sort of truth that you're seeking. Like, what is the reality of this person? What do they actually want? Or are they really telling the truth? Or is this relationship or marriage really good for me, right? I do see that some major truth will be revealed to you this week. Something maybe it something unexpected, something which will force you to change your decision. Maybe you are just about to get married to a person and some truth comes your way and you will change your decision and you will say, no, I'm not getting married to you. Or it could be that you've already said no to somebody, and because somebody lied to you or somebody hid something, and then you realize, oh my God, I made such a big mistake. And then you want to go back to that person. So some sort of major truth is going to come to you. Somebody around you must have lied to you or is going to lie to you, hide things from you, and that is why this card of caution has come, which means this week you have to really isolate yourself from the people around you, your friends, your family. Somebody is not guiding you well, somebody is lying and hiding things from you. Once you isolate yourself, you will be able to see the things clearly. I also see that this is the week where you have to really follow your intuition. If you follow your intuition, you will be able to identify the person, identify the problem, and also get the solution to it. So please spend some time with you. When you spend connect with your higher self, with your intuition, you will be able to find solution to your problems, and that will really impact your decision. This is a time for weighing the pros and cons of a situation, really practically thinking about a decision, and then taking an important decision. Okay. I do see that it could be a very stressful week for you, whether we talk about your work or your personal life. Yes, this is challenging, but let this week pass. Stay strong, be patient, think wisely, follow your intuition, make wise decisions. Do not engage in any petty fight that comes your way. Just, maintain your peace and calm in every way, and then only you will be able to come to, better solutions, because this is a time where you really need to think in a calm environment in mind. For that, you really need to isolate yourself. Like I said, take a break, go somewhere, and then you will be able to find solutions, I promise. So if you guys resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share, subscribe my channel so that you can get such accurate reading beforehand, before your week starts, and so that you can get the right advice also as to what is going to happen and how you are supposed to handle it. Okay, and this was a general reading. If you have very specific questions which are linked to you directly and not the masses, then please you can always book a personal reading with me. I do have different packages available. If you think you have more than one question and you also need a remedy, you also need to remove blockages from that area because you feel stuck, then I have different packages available which will be cheaper for you because multiple questions will be answered and a free remedy will also be given to you. Plus, I have exclusive love readings available, exclusive no contact reading available, and spiritual counseling session and rituals available with me as well. If you separately want to book a blockage removal ritual, then you can do that as well. If you do not have any questions, otherwise you can ask questions or book a ritual, take 2 service, take 3 service as per your budget. You can do that as well. My cheapest service starts at 170 rupees, by the way, and it goes up to thousands. Of course, every service has a different price range, so all of you can choose any service but your range, so that is also available. And if you would like to know the prices, please follow me on Instagram, because on a daily basis I post the prices there as well. You will find the various services available in my description box and my bio, but prices are exclusively available on my Instagram. Or you can obviously DM me on my Instagram or email me in my email on my email ID, which is arthasharma842@gmail.com. Again, it's mentioned. Lastly, I do take spiritual counseling sessions. So if you think you need guidance, you need therapy, you need to talk to someone, a heart to heart conversation, I do have audio video call sessions available with me on Instagram, Google Meet, and Zoom as well. So please go ahead and share this video with anyone who you think is going through a difficult time and they need to seek therapy or counseling session from somebody. With the help of your angels, I will be guiding you in the spiritual counseling sessions as well. So this was all about your reading, your first week of July. Please stay strong. It's going to be all right. All right. So this was more about my channel. To stay updated, do follow me on Instagram, subscribe me so that you can get the readings in advance. And thank you so much for watching my channel. I'm going to see you very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.